It's Lucas Lang, and back at it again with your Algebra 2 101. Today we're going to be learning how to graph parabolas using vertex form, featuring Jason Bishop, Sarissa Fazio, and Chloe Murphy. Vertex form is written as f of x equals a, in parentheses, x minus h squared plus k. The letter h and k being the vertex point of the parabola. It can be used to create an equation when the vertex of the parabola is known, but other points are not. Hey, J. Bish, what's the definition of a parabola?
Well, a parabola is a U-shaped graph used to graph quadratic functions. It consists of a vertex, an axis of symmetry, and a y-intercept.
Hey, Sarissa, what's a vertex and how do you find it?
A vertex is the highest or lowest point of a graph. The vertex is found by looking at h and k. H is the x-coordinate of the vertex and k is the y-coordinate. So in this example, h would be -1 and k would be 2. So your vertex is 1, 2.
Hey, Chloe, what's the axis of symmetry and how do you find it?
The axis of symmetry is an imaginary line drawn to divide the parabola into two equal parts. It's found by looking at the x-coordinate of the vertex.
Hey, you think you can tell me what a y-intercept is and how
Well,
you
I sure
find
can.
it?
The y-intercept is the point at which a parabola crosses the y-axis. To find it, using vertex form, you set x equal to 0 and solve, or you can plug the equation into your calculator. So right here I have f of x equals 2 times x minus 1 squared plus 3. So I did 2 times 0 minus 1 squared plus 3.
Get an x equals 0 there.
Yep, and 2 plus 3 equals 5, so the y-intercept is 5.
Alright, now I'm just going to show you an example of how to graph a parabola using vertex form. The first thing you're going to want to find is your vertex, and by finding that, it's hk, which is 1, 3, so your vertex is going to be 1, 3. The next thing you're going to want to find is your y-intercept, and for finding your y-intercept, you just have x equal to 0, and to do it, it'll come up to 5. And then you're going to want to make another point equidistant to the vertex on the opposite side, which will end up being 2, 5. And you want to draw it. The last thing you want to find is your axis of symmetry, and by doing that, you figure out what x is in your vertex, and it's 1, so your axis of symmetry is 1. You just draw a line down. And that finishes it up for today.